Let's open. Huh? Barong it's still dagbay. Here's my resident ID card. Look at my face. Namamaga.
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the
Happy Monday, everybody. We are here sa lakeside lang because it's holiday today. So, si Steven walang work, kaya papunta kami dito sa lakeside. Maglalakad-lakad lang kami.
same way? Nothing breaks so clearly when there's the whole line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why, oh, why, oh, why would I? Would I?
that house. So what I got is the Clinique toner. The Clinique toner. Yung small lang yung binili ko. Dahil hindi naman siya mura. This is expensive also and I just want to try. The other one is the La Roche-Posay and Faclar Matte. This is for oily sensitive skin. Hello everyone. So ito lang yung outfit ko. Mainit siya today. Ayan. So ito yung sinasabi kong book cabinet dito. You can just borrow something here. So meron dito yan. Gusto ko to. Caracas Selection D Elite. Yung problema, naiintindihan ko ba siya? Grazie. The house, kita niyo yung rose niya. Wow. I wish I have this kind of house sa Pilipinas. Maganda kasi yan sa Pilipinas. Pero wala akong nakikitang malalaking rose sa Pilipinas. Puro siya maliliit. Yung mga ordinaryong rose lang. Kaya super amazed ako dito. And then next time, dadalhin ko kayo doon sa bahay na super na amazed ako. Kasi ang ganda, ang daming rose. Papakita ko sa inyo next. We always have air balloon flying here. Look at that. And the other one is there. Ayun. I don't know kung saan maglaland yan.